A&M Kingsville is turning all the talk about our state needing to address our mental health crisis into action.
The Uvalde school shooting tragedy has definitely sparked calls for action in the field of mental health. A&M Kingsville officials have decided to answer that call and are now beginning a new initiative to focus attention on that issue. As
our Michael Gibson tells us tonight, the university is setting up a rural mental health institute that'll be up and running by September 1st.
It promises to be a game changer because what we're going to do is we're going to be a type of hub for research, community engagement, policy initiatives.
Dr. Steve Bain is the founding director of the Rural Mental Health Institute. It opens its doors here at A&M Kingsville on September the 1st. This week, Dr. Bain was basically already on the job as he was at the state capitol testifying at a joint select committee. He urged lawmakers to fund an initiative to put mental health care professionals in all school districts.
Actually, less than 20% of our youth are receiving ongoing, consistent, and effective counseling services as we speak. So that means over 80% of our young people are not getting the services, the timely services they need, the quality of services they need.
A&M Kingsville is already working to try and get those future counselors well trained. Dr. Bain says it's the only university in the state and probably in the nation to offer a Master of Science in clinical mental health counseling with an emphasis on rural mental health.
I don't think it's so much a question of convincing your school districts to put a professional counselor or licensed social worker in their district. It's funding that position.
Recently, the federal government stepped up and sent the university $1.3 million in part to provide more mental health assistance to its own students.
We're going to be able to help students by increasing the amount of telemental health services that we offer. We're also going to be able to help students with their food insecurities by expanding our food pantry and also by offering meal plans for students who qualify through our programs.
So here at A&M Kingsville, the talk about doing more to address our mental health issues has now turned into real action, and we will see if the rest of the state follows their lead. Michael Gibson, 3 News.
Thank you, Michael.